great delight for me to be comparing this evening. And the first act that we have is the beautiful Madge. She's going to do a song of the spirit of the welcome chant.
Thank you. So I'm going to tell you a story and sing you a song tonight. The story is of Columba. When St. Columba came to Iona, he washed the feet of the pilgrims who followed him. And he sent his monks out to put a particular form of spirituality out into this land and landscape. And the maxim was that Christ is the King of hospitality. That hospitality is fundamental to the spirit of our people. And I want to sing you tonight a little song. It's a song of that kind of spirit. It comes from the Isle of Eigh, and it was handed down to Kenneth Macleod, who was a Church of Scotland minister, from his auntie. Now this would have been woven into the fabric of the landscape over centuries. And the words, in English, it would have been in Gaelic, but the words in English are, I met a stranger yestreen. I put food in the eating place, drink in the drinking place, music in the listening place. And in the sacred name of the Triune, he blessed my home and my hearth, my cattle and my dear ones. And the lark sang in her song, often, often, often goes Christ in the stranger's guise. So I dedicate this song to the spirit of hospitality, and I dedicate it to you, Dorota, because that's what you epitomise this evening. Thank you for embodying that. I also dedicate it to all the strangers who have come in this room, strangers who may not feel comfortable in this room, or strangers who may be strangers to themselves. This is a song for the stranger and for hospitality, because the whole impetus of this is, the message is that you come to my home, you come and share time with me, and you're the better of your passing. And that's what my grandmother taught me. That's what we lived. Any stranger came into the house, immediately all sorts of things happened. I won't mention them here, but that's the spirit of what I hold for this place. So I'm going to sing you this. The tune is it's an ancient lament called Lament for the Bishop of Argyll, and the words and the tune work together. I met a stranger yestreen. I met a stranger yestreen. I put food in the eating place, drink in the drinking place. I met a stranger yestreen. I met a stranger yestreen. I put music in the listening place, music in the listening place. And in the Triune's sacred name, he blessed my hearth, he blessed my hame, he blessed my hearth, he blessed my hame, my cattle and my dear ones there. And the lark was singing in her song, and the lark was singing in her song. Oft times gaze Christ in strangers' guise, oft times gaze Christ in strangers' guise. Oft times gaze Christ in strangers' guise, oft times gaze Christ in strangers' guise. I met a stranger yestreen. I met a stranger yestreen. I put music in the listening place, music in the listening place.